Hi, my name is Ben Burris. I'm a staff astronomer at Chabot Space and Science Center. I'd like to talk to you about some solar viewing activities we have going on up here. We run solar viewing activities up here because a lot of people come up to Chabot during the day, and the sun is actually of great importance. When most people think of astronomy, they think of the nighttime and they think of stars. But the sun is the biggest, brightest, closest star to the planet Earth, so it deserves some attention. So we have all sorts of tools to let you explore the sun in close detail. Everything from very simple filters that allow you to stare directly at the sun safely without hurting your eyes, to small telescopes that look at the sun in different ways. Seen with special telescopes and special filters, you can see amazing magnetic structures unfolding, sometimes like a stop motion of a flower blooming. You can see clouds of hot gas, plasma, in the sun's atmosphere blowing away from the sun. The sun's not always the only thing we look at during the day up here. Sometimes when things line up right, we can actually look at the planet Venus through this telescope. You can see the phases of Venus, much as Galileo did 400 years ago through his first telescope. So if the planets are in alignment and it's a clear day, you might be able to come up and take a peek at one of Earth's nearest neighbors. Okay, the sun spotter is a little device that kind of looks like a boat. It's made of wood like a boat. It might even float if you threw it in the water. But what it really is a small solar telescope that is designed for you to safely look at the sun. But the sun spotter will project a nice little image of the sun where you can watch sunspots crossing the face of the sun. Sunspots being these enormous Earth-sized magnetic storms on the surface of the sun. But we have a movie up here that will almost blow you out of your seat. It's called Solar Max. It's an amazing movie that shows us views of the sun up close and on the giant screen dome in ways that you've never imagined. We have a monitor that shows us a compressed 24-hour movie of activity on the sun as seen by NASA's Solar Dynamics Observatory. And it's always very up to date, so it's the last 24 hours in the life of the sun.
Oh, I can definitely see that one, yeah. You can see that from this telescope.
I've come here before and I thought, well, it's just going to be at night that you're going to see things. So it was nice to be able to come up, and we got all these wonderful volunteers that have helped us orient ourselves and see the sun. And it was a treat to see a planet like Venus during the day.